Hi, I'm Frances with Lakeshore. Did you realize preschoolers are engaging in STEM activities as they play? Whether building with blocks or playing with sand tools, they're using engineering and math concepts. And with some guidance and the perfect hands-on STEM tools from Lakeshore, you can enhance young learners' opportunities to engage in STEM learning. Let's look at one of the problem-solving STEM kits and see how students explore STEM concepts in a familiar fairy tale. This one's all about the three little pigs. The kit includes these cute characters, a STEM-focused story card, and all the pieces needed to build a house. Working independently or in pairs, students use the direction cards and are challenged to build a house that will protect the pigs from the big bad wolf and won't be blown down. And with some trial and error, they'll use problem-solving skills and keep the three little pigs safe at home. There's even a comprehensive lesson plan card so teachers can support their pre-K to first grade students. Think of all the science and engineering skills needed to build a roller coaster. Now imagine exploring these fun skills and concepts with your students. The Engineer a Coaster Activity Kit is great for preschoolers and students up to 3rd grade. Younger children will love exploring with the discs and coaster tracks, while older students will enjoy testing the different challenge cards. You get 5 double-sided challenge cards, 3 discs, a goal box, and 10 magnetic tracks. Perfect on a magnetic board. As students adjust the track positions, they'll move the rolling disc all the way down the board to the goal box. While doing that, they'll develop skills in understanding force and motion, gravity, and angles and trajectories. Now let's shake things up with another innovative STEM tool. With the Survive the Quake engineering kit, young learners build a structure and put it to the test, the earthquake test. An activity book helps them explore early engineering concepts like construction and durability. And it also encourages students to test different structure types. The earthquake simulator creates quakes in 5 levels of intensity and challenges students to use problem-solving skills to build stronger structures with a set of 30 bricks. And if their building falls, they rebuild and test again. Set young learners on a path to develop a love of STEM exploration with these hands-on products from Lakeshore.